I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Kleenex Trusted Care line of tissues. So I really like the Kleenex Trusted Care because they call it a great everyday tissue. So it's something where you can get it, and it's really good quality because, again, it is the Kleenex brand, but you can get a bunch of these and put them all over your house. People use them in schools if you're getting a pack of tissues to send with your kid to school, something to have in your car. It's something you can buy in bulk and have around, and you're going to get a really good quality of tissue because, again, it is the Kleenex brand, but it's something you can buy in a nice bulk size. One thing I like too is that they've really, made these kind of nice abstract designs on the box. So obviously tissues are something that can be kind of just a functional product, but I like that they've done something to make it a little more interesting, a little bit more abstract. And if you are buying these in a bundle, you're going to get a bunch of different designs. So if you really want something that's going to be matched to a particular room in your house or the style or decor there, you do get a lot of options with this Trusted Care line, and you can, basically choose one that's going to fit however you want it to be. You get a good number of tissues in here too, so these will last for a good long time. And I think it's about 160 tissues in a box, Kleenex says. So that's quite a lot. Obviously, if you are using these throughout a season, this will probably last you for a while to have one box of these. And another thing I really like about these are that it's made in the USA or Canada. So you're getting a really good quality of product and one that's made relatively local if you are in the US or Canada yourself. So if you just need, a lot of tissues, again, to send with your kid to school, to stock up your house, definitely check out the Trusted Care line. You're going to get that quality of Kleenex, but you can buy these in bulk, choose designs that you like, and have them everywhere in your house whenever you need to have them there.